Ready to code like a pro? Let's dive in. Join us for quick, powerful tips and tricks to level up your coding skills. Welcome to Learn Coding Quickly.
Hi everyone, my name is Castro from Castro Solutions. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open your HTML file in your favorite browser using Visual Studio Code 2022. So first thing first, what you need to do, you have to install an extension. The extension that we are going to install is called Open in Browser. So you will be asking yourself, where do I find this extension? Alright, on our left side on the panel, we have a file for extensions. When you click on the file for extension, go and search Open in Browser. There we go. The extension that we are going to install is Open in Browser version 2.0.0. Let's go ahead and install this extension. So I've already installed this extension, but let me uninstall and install again. It won't even take you a minute to install this extension. Yes, here we are. I've installed my extension, Open in Browser version 2.0.0. And if you can check here, we have the usage, we have how it works, and also other things. So after installing this, let's now go to our HTML files. If you do not have HTML files, you can start by creating your HTML files. So I already have my HTML files on the project that I was working on. It's so simple how to run this. If you can open one HTML file and right click right inside the file, you will see here on the menu that we have open in default browser or open in other browsers, and also there are commands to do so. The command to open in default browser is Alt and B, and the command to open in other browsers is Shift Alt and B. So now let me use my default browser. As simple as that. I am now able to see my HTML file on my favorite browser, which is Chrome, using Visual Studio Code 2022. That will be all for today. Thank you very much. Let's meet on the next videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.